Welcome to SolidCAM Professor. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, with one of many videos available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now that we've created already our coordinate system and our stock and target, in this lesson we'll be talking about our part settings and setting up our iMachining data. Now, the part settings, you don't normally have to go into it. The settings are automatically brought in from our default settings within SolidCAM itself. That's inside our SolidCAM settings. However, if you want for each individual part, you can make changes on those settings. And this is done by clicking on settings inside the part settings. As you see, this window opens up, and the changes that can be made for each individual part in the settings can be done right here, whether it be updating a stock calculation, whether it be G-code simulation, whether it be specific templates that you want to use. All of these can be done over here. Now, in addition, this is now where you set up your iMachining data. Now, let's go on to our iMachining data. I will not go into complete depth into each individual field explaining what each one does and how to actually create them. That is done actually in a separate video dealing with iMachining itself. Let's just see exactly what we have to do over here to set this up. In the machine database, we can choose what machine we are going to be working on, and that will have all the information for that particular machine. That information includes the maximum feed rate of the machine, the maximum spin rate of the machine, and the horsepower of the machine as well. I'll choose my machine. I'll choose also the type of material I'll be working on, whether it be a soft steel 1020 or an aluminum, for example, 6061, or even titanium. Just for argument's sake, I'll just pick, in this particular case, 6061 TS. Next, we have our machining level. This will actually set the default machining level for this particular part on this machine, and I'll just set it at this point for 6. At this point, we are now ready to accept our SolidCAM project. All I have to do is click on OK to accept the project itself. In our next lesson, we'll talk about defining fixtures. For more videos on SolidCAM Professor, please go to our website, www.solidcam.com, and look for the tab called SolidCAM Professor. Thank you for joining us on SolidCAM Professor. Take care and have a nice day.